Most people think expensive renovations automatically raise their home value, but some upgrades barely give your money back. First, adding a pool. In a lot of markets, pools actually cost $50,000 to $100,000, and many buyers see them as maintenance instead of value. Second, massive luxury kitchens. A simple kitchen refresh usually makes more sense than blowing money on high-end finishes buyers might not even care about. Meanwhile, one of the highest ROI in America is actually a new garage door. Seriously, a few $1,000s completely change your curb appeal. And that leads to the next mistake, ignoring the exterior. Buyers judge your house before they even walk inside. Paint, landscaping, lighting, and a front door matter more than people think. And finally, don't make your house nicer than the other houses around it. There's a ceiling to what buyers will pay no matter how much money you put into the remodel. The best renovations aren't always the most expensive. They're the ones buyers instantly notice and don't have to worry about.